guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Ayokomi Emmanuel. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I drop a new video. Alright, so without wasting our time, on this tutorial I want to teach us how to design a simple, classic and professional and birthday flyer in CorelDraw. So currently I'm on this is my CorelDraw interface. So we want to create a new document. So the size we are using for this design is 10 by 12 inches. 10 by 12 in inches. Alright, so the next thing now is to bring our background. Control I, bring this our background, come to effects, block, Gaussian block, increase the radius here. Okay, so click on this rectangle tool and click this background inside that rectangle tool. Alright, so that's so the next thing is to import our second background, which is this background. Come to effects, block, Gaussian block. I think that is okay. Come to transparent tool, apply this transparent tool here, increase the size. Okay, good. Now we can power clip this inside this created. Alright, good. So the next now is to import our next background, which is this one. Enlarge, then bring it up here. Click on transparent to blend the background. After that, come to bitmap, convert it to bitmap. You can leave it at 400. Okay, that's good. Apply transparent here also, convert it to bitmap. Come to here, normal, then overlay. Good. So we are going to power clip this inside what we have created. Fine. So the next is to import our next background, which is this. Our next background. Okay, so now we are going to click on transparent to blend the background. Okay, come to bitmap, convert it to bitmap also, then here also convert it to bitmap. Good. Increase the size, then power clip inside this shape we've created. Now, good. So the next one now is to import our last background. Okay, so this is our last background. Reduce the size, then click on transparent tool. Okay, fine. Move it here, then power clip inside this background. Good. Now the next one now is to import our image. Now I'm going to remove the background using my CorelDraw. Now this is the image we are actually using. So I want to remove the background now by clicking on pen tool. Now we're going to trace. So because of our time, I'm going to fast with it. Alright, so we have removed the background now. So now we're going to bring our picture here. I want you to flip to the other side. Then enlarge it and power clip inside this. Before we can power clip, apply this transparent. So we are going to power clip now. Power clip inside this. Okay, so the next thing now, we are going to remove the border from here. Now the next thing now is to type our text. Congratulations. Pick Montserrat for this. Come here, change the color to white. Okay, congratulations. The next thing now is to type our happy birthday. Happy birthday. So the font we are using for the happy is, we are going to break it by clicking on Ctrl K. So the font we are using for the happy, we are going to use Montserrat. We are going to use the semi bold. Then this birthday, we are using Dreamer font. So we are going to increase this B by 130. Say 130. Okay. So bring this here. Reduce the size. Reduce the size of this happy. Change this color. This is black already. Then we are going interactive tool. Okay, so that one is settled. So the next thing now is to type the name of the celebrant. The name of your celebrant. So we are going to bring this. So let's say Ola Shade. So the font we are using for this is Autograph. Ola Shade. So the font we are using for this is Classic Vogue. Increase the size. Okay. Now we are going to power clip our background. This background in particular. This background, power clip this background inside this Oberico. Power clip, change the direction. Okay, good. So increase the size. Alright, so good. So the next thing now is to type our date, the date of this birthday, 23rd October. Now Ctrl K to break, change the font to Classic Vogue. and this also to classic. Change the color to white. Now we're going to pick our circle here. Click on circle, come to this background. Just want to pick the background. Click on this, then come to, once you click on this, then you click on your shift tool, then click on the background. It will bring this, then intersect. Remove this. So this circle now, we are going to come down here, double click on this, then come to this, click on this, change it to 0.7. Click on Ctrl Shift Q, then click on white. Okay, so this date now we are going to bring it. Okay, so that's it. So we are going to double this. Alright, so the next thing now is to type our birthday message. So good, we have typed finished. Then we are going to change the color to white. Then come here, click on this, then firstly justified. Good. So the next thing now is to import our last background. Ctrl K, Ctrl I rather, then click on this background. Then click on this background. Then come here to transparent, then change it to screen. Change it to overlay rather. So okay, good. Now so now the next thing now is to save our file, our design is ready, the flyer is ready. Very simple and professional flyer, birthday flyer. So if you want to save, Ctrl E. So this is our flyer, our birthday flyer. So thank you for watching with me. Please click on subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. God bless you. Bye.